We are out here at my favorite camping spot for this reason. Well, and also because, where am I? That up there, right up in this area, is about 450 yards, which is pretty easy shot from the rifles that I use for coyotes. So that's why I like this area, partly why, and the view obviously is the other reason. So last year when I shot 2 coyotes, I brought their skulls out and I buried them here, and I came out today. That was like in February, and now it's October. So what is that, 8 months, 9 months? So I just dug them up and I buried them fully intact, the fur on them, everything. I didn't cut the ears off, nothing. And this is what they look like today. Teeth are in. Look how pretty those teeth are. When I clean this up and bleach it, I think this is going to be really cool. So that's for my boys, Maximus and Ben. There we go. It's my first coyote kill in Colorado. So we're going to dig up the other one. I got another one that's bigger. Hopefully it's as in good a shape. Didn't lose any teeth out of it either. So there's the hole down in there. So I have a little more digging to do to get the other one out. So we'll get to it. Alright, so there's the first coyote I killed in Colorado. Came out pretty dang clean. And there's the second. So the eyes are gone, nose is gone, everything. Looks like we got some kind of bugs in there. Looks like the cranial cavities are empty. And as we'll do the boil, we'll do the peroxide treatment. Clean them up. So we started by scrubbing them down in the bathtub with hot soapy water. Look at those teeth. This is one thing I like about these coyotes and their fur. But scrub them down, then we boil them up, and we glue all the teeth back together, pretty much any kind of glue. And there we go. It's a shot of putting them in the bag right after we've got them boiled. And pull all the teeth out, inventory them, and bleach them. Then we glue them and put them all together and display them. And this is the first coyote I killed in Colorado. There's a picture of his teeth. Nice and white. He's a young one. And this was a picture I took up there climbing up in the Alpenlands. Well, love. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all take it easy.